Hi, Si here from Music Radar. We're in NAMM 2020. This is the 4MS stand. This is Dan. Nice to meet you, Dan. You've kind of brought something very cool and crazy sounding by the way of the Ensemble Oscillator. On the face of it, it sounds quite bonkers. There's oscillators and oscillators and tons and tons and tons of things going on. Talk us through what's happening here.
Cool. So it is 16 oscillators, and each oscillator is tied to a note in a scale.
Right.
So here I can move through, and as the oscillators move across the notes in the scale, they crossfade from one to the next.
Okay.
So you don't get that that kind of pitch bendy thing. You get a crossfading thing, smoother. So, and you can pick like more Western type scales. Like here's some like fifths and type stuff. As they're moving. You can spread the oscillators and shift them. You also can apply different types of wave folding and wave shaping on them. But actually, let me talk a little bit more about the scales. So when you think about a scale, you think about a bunch of notes, right? And they're all in a scale, and you play up together, you get a chord, right? But also, if you think about a complex wave shape, if you know a little bit about math, physics theory and stuff, any wave shape can be broken down into a bunch of sine waves, and if you play a bunch of sine waves together, you also get a chord, or you get a wave shape. So this operates in the kind of gray area between, are we hearing like a bunch of oscillators, all doing their own thing, or are we hearing just like one unified, kind of a slowly evolving wave shape? So it works that way, so you get, these are kind of more you're hearing as a chord, right? But now if we like maybe apply a little distortion, let's pick something a little more unorthodox of a harmonic series. Play that with a keyboard. Sorry, wrong one. Hello. Sorry.
It's because I actually don't plug it all.
Yeah, right. It's okay. But here, so you hear this is more like a waveform, right? There we go. Right, so we're hearing that as a waveform, less as like a chord of notes. So each of these oscillators is sine wave by default, but then as you apply different types of distortion to them, wave folding things, you get all these really hard, since they're all harmonic and related, when you FM them with each other, which is what this knob does, you get some really kind of complex, different wave. So, obviously easy to make textures, stereo out, and detuning, which gives you a nice kind of stereo thing going on there. One last thing I want to say about it is how to program your own scales.
Okay.
It's super easy, and you can do it with here's the keyboard, now that I have the keyboard working.
You got the learn button, right?
Yep. And the learn gate, so let's say I want to do 12-tet mode, so I want to do Western type stuff. Learn, I can go, there's my intervals. Or if I could do another one like, that's pretty low frequency. Half steps all bunched up, or just octaves. And I have that detuning going on so you can hear that like beat frequency stuff, or bring it back in. You can also do it without a keyboard. You can just go.
All right, just dial it in.
Just dial them in to whatever intervals you want. Like especially for doing the more harmonic, complex waveforms type thing. This is useful. So there's one. integrate with CV.
Yeah.
CV controls over everything. So. Yeah. Yeah.
Beautiful. When are you looking to get this out and about for everyone to buy?
April 20th.
April 20th. That's really precise. I like that.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, we'll hold you to it. Price-wise?
$299 US.
$299 US. Thank you so much for melting our minds with 16 oscillators. Thank you so much, Dan. Lovely to see you. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share wherever you've seen this video right now. And do check out musicradar.com for latest NAMM news as soon as we get it. And we'll see you soon. Cheers.